Yeah, exciting.
Welcome to Manipur.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having us.
I hope this would be your first visit and performance.
Yes.
So how do you feel about it?
We're very excited. It's been many years since we come to India, so we're very excited to perform tonight at the festival.
Are there any surprises on the set line tonight?
We're going to be performing some new songs from the new album. I was going to say what he said. Yeah. That's the only thing that's new apart from the old hits. Well, I'll tell you what's new, newer here. So that's new. Yeah.
Hope you'll enjoy this
Thank you
weekend.
so much for having us, guys.
Thank you. One love. One love.
One love.